Welcome back, Legacy. We're your hosts. I'm Sam Johns.
And I'm Penelope Campbell. And this is
The Morning Show.
This episode, we have a look at important upcoming events, a look into this month and more. Stay tuned.
Legacy Night Open House was a huge success. Thank you for all the families, teachers, and students that helped make it possible. Friday, May 6th is the deadline to register for the Hot Dog Hot Lunch with fruit, chips, and a cookie that will be served on May 12th. It is $6 and you can register by scanning the QR code on screen.
Testing week is this week, May 2nd through the 6th for all K through 8th grade students. They'll be on campus Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday for testing from 8:15 to 12 o'clock. Be praying for our students to finish strong. All 9th through 12th graders will have their normal classes.
This morning, seniors will be taking their cap and gown photos with Miss Cowan. Remember to meet at the office by 8:30 a.m. 8th grade students will have a graduation group photo Tuesday, May 10th at 11:15. Dress in your Sunday best, and all graduate families will be given permission to view the photos. Seniors will also be taking their senior trip later this week to Big Bear. We wish them luck and we'll report back more next week.
High School's Enchanted Forest Prom is this Saturday, May 7th. Ticket prices have been raised to $60. Visit the Legacy website by scanning the QR code on the screen. Your wardrobe should have been approved by Mrs. Cowan by April 29th. If you have any questions, email Mrs. Blakely at kblakely@legacybakersfield.org.
Moving on, Stephen has this week's weather for us. Stephen?
Hey guys, it looks like it's finally starting to warm up this week, with the temperatures being in the low 80s. So make sure you stay hydrated, and back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Stephen. Coming soon, the morning show is holding interviews for all crew positions on Friday, May 20th from 1:30 to 3:30. This means you. We are looking to expand our team and investigate ways to have elementary and middle school students participate. Questions, email our producer, Miss Cowan, at mcowan@legacybakersfield.org. Interview time signups are posted on Miss Cowan's office door. If there isn't a time that works for you, please contact Miss Cowan so we can work with your schedule.
The morning show would like a representative from each class K through 12 to report on what's going on in your classroom. And students and teachers, we'd like to know what's going on from you beforehand, so let me know. Email me at sjohns@legacybakersfield.org and lpatron@legacybakersfield.org.
Legacy's last informational meeting is May 10th and campus tour day is May 12th. Join Legacy's academic community and visit the Legacy website to reserve your spot.
Informational meetings are a required step in Legacy's enrollment process and required for prospective staff and faculty members.
Legacy Christian Academy is hiring highly qualified individuals who are committed to Christ with the passion to teach. We're looking for high school English, history, math, science, and art.
Middle school English and elementary classroom teachers as well as physical education. Legacy Christian Academy is a duly accredited K through 12 private Christian school. Visit our website to learn more about the University Model Program at legacychristianbakersfield.org. Email your resume to our administrator and head of school, Paula Cowan, at pcowan@legacybakersfield.org. Upcoming events to check your calendars for are the House Championship Cup Awards ceremony, Friday, May 13th at 3:45, the Co-Teacher Picnic, Thursday, May 19th at 2:30. Parents, remember to send your student to school with a blanket to reserve your spot on the lawn. May 20th will be the 8th grade pancake breakfast and beach trip. And our senior dinner is May 26th, 6 through 8. Seniors and their parents are invited to the special evening of celebration and commission from administration. Dress in your Sunday best.
Coming back this summer are Legacy's High School Summer Hangouts. High School Summer Hangouts are hosted by Legacy's families and students. Our Student Activities Department has some great hangouts planned for us, including bunko, karaoke, swimming, food, and more. You don't want to miss out. Now, more on Lions sports from Jeremiah.
Special news, Legacy Baseball will be playing against the Spirit Warriors on May 13th. You don't want to miss out on this last game against our sister school from Tustin, California. Back to you.
Thank you, Jeremiah. Now, a very special addition to the show, Cooking with Rice, hosted by our very own Savannah Rice. Joining us with the edible education class, she has a delicious recipe for us just in time for Mother's Day.
This is Cooking with Rice, and today we're making spring frittata.
Eating a frittata with these greens is a great way to get dark green leafy greens into your diet. And dark green leafy greens like this is baby spinach, are considered superfood. Okay, they're full of vitamins, minerals. And the more you can get into your diet, the better. So when I'm at home, I put spinach, like sauteed spinach, I'll put it in chili, I'll put it in spaghetti sauce, scrambled eggs, just anything that I can. But if this is your job, once you have it washed, I just like to roughly chop it, okay? So just chop it roughly so you don't get a big piece of spinach while you're eating your frittata. Okay, just like that is fine. Okay, then you have a 1/4 cup of milk, and what kind of measuring cup are you going to use for that?
Half a cup.
What'd you say?
Half a cup.
Half a cup. Yes, but what kind of measuring cup is this? Liquid. Very good. All right. And does anybody know what herb this is? You can smell it and pass it around. You can smell it and pass it around.
Thyme.
Thyme. Very good. And how do you spell this kind of thyme? T-H-Y-M-E. So if thyme is your job, you don't want the stem, you just want the leaves. So grab it from the top, and then if you just pull gently, the leaves will come off just like this. You just strip the leaves off, just like that. That's your thyme, okay? If that's your job, that's how you do it. And these are the chives. Remember, it's been a while since we've been in class together, but probably about 4 weeks ago, you guys, we used the chives and you planted them in a different planter. I transplanted them in here and look how much they've grown. So you guys are welcome to use these chives that you planted, or you can use these right here. If you use these, you snip them and then you plant the root back in there, all right? And then what kind of cheese is this? Parmesan, okay. And what will you use to grate it? Cheese grater or a zester, right? Okay.
I got a shot.
I'm pouring the milk through the frittata.
I definitely know what I'm doing here.
I'm putting the spinach into the pan for our frittata.
I'm sauteing the greens. Like that.
And then just leave it. You don't need to stir it. Now we're putting our frittata in the oven. Remember we started cooking it on the stove. We're going to finish it in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And we've used our herbs, we've used our chives and thyme. And again, frittata is a great way to use your leftovers. You put any kind of leftovers in your frittata, so it helps to eliminate food waste.
Now for the exciting part, we get to taste the dish.
Okay, see your frittata? Yep, that's in there. Check it. Burn it. There you go. Yay!
And now you have a lovely spring frittata that you can make this Mother's Day. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Savannah. Mrs. Harper is inviting all 8th through 11th grade students to audition for a worship team. Students who are interested need to fill out an application, and the auditions will be held Thursday, May 5th at 3:30 in Building 7. If you have any questions, then contact Mrs. Harper at lharper@legacybakersfield.org.
All right, Lions, thank you for watching this week's episode of The Morning Show. I'm your host, Sam Johns.
And I'm Penelope Campbell.
Edible